Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Figma app design responsive, updated. Begin by setting up a base grid and responsive constraints on frames and components, then switch to auto layout to create flexible cards and lists. Build scalable text styles and spacing tokens so elements resize predictably. Test at several breakpoints and iterate with real content to ensure layouts remain usable and visually balanced across phone, tablet, and desktop widths. Focus on building components with responsive variants to handle different sizes and states. Define size variants like compact, regular, and expanded, and adjust internal constraints so nested elements reposition correctly. Use component swaps and overrides to test content changes without breaking layouts. Maintain a clear naming convention and organize instances in a component library so teams can reuse patterns and maintain consistency across screens and projects. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy portable tools that simplify life, check out the Kindle Paperwhite for distraction-free reading between design sessions. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and share with colleagues. I linked the product and other deals in the description so you can explore options. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Prototype across breakpoints and simulate common interactions like menus and modals to validate responsive behavior. Preview designs on target devices and in Figma Mirror to check touch areas, spacing, and overflow. Iterate using real content to reveal layout issues such as long strings or large images. Share interactive prototypes with stakeholders and record feedback. Then refine constraints and component variants to handle edge cases before handing off to developers for implementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.